Hi guys, let me show you guys how to make chicken 65 my way. So you're going to start off with cutting 2 chicken breasts and marinating it with 1 tablespoon of ginger and garlic paste, 4 tablespoons of yogurt, plain yogurt, and all the seasonings are going to be listed above, so don't worry. Add in some food coloring, red food coloring, and then let that chicken marinate for 30 minutes before adding in a couple tablespoons of rice flour. The rice flour is going to make the chicken crispy once you fry it. If you don't have rice flour, you could add in a couple tablespoons of cornstarch and some flour. But yeah, fry your chicken and then put that aside, and then now you're going to make the tarka. In some neutral oil, add in some ginger and garlic paste, and then add in a couple sliced green chilies. Let that cook down and add in about 1 small medium onion. And then you're going to add the same seasoning that you added to the chicken. Add in half a cup of water so the onions don't burn. And then you're going to add in some garlic chili paste. And then you're going to add in a couple tablespoons of Maggi sauce or ketchup and give everything a good mix. Garnish it with some cilantro. I know Chicken 65 is supposed to have curry leaves, but I didn't have any. But that's it, guys. Enjoy this with friends and family.